Hello everyone, welcome to my 13th tutorial of Lumion version 11. This is Mayuri Wag. In previous tutorial, we discussed what is photo mode. In this tutorial, we discuss how to render a scene in this. We previously done all the settings of rendering. Here is the store camera option. By just clicking on photo mode, here is the store camera option to store our image. Then after the all settings are done, click on render options. Here is the window opens of current shoot. Then second option is photo set. In photo set, you can also use this type of toggle export in your render. Here is an additional output, that is save depth map, save normal map, save spectacular reflection, save lighting map, save sky life, save material ID map, etc. Then you save your render shot in email or desktop or print or poster option by their sizes. I select desktop, then I give it a something name, that is Lumion render. Then press save option. Here the scenes are rendering. Here the shot will be a render. Then press OK. Then you have render a multiple views of this scene. So remaining part we will discuss in next video. Thank you.